Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, we have femtolaser assisted surgery or also called as FLACS. In femtolaser assisted surgery, we use the femtolaser which has a wavelength of around 1053 nanometers. And this femtosecond laser is mainly used for creation of cleavage planes. It is used for creation of cleavage planes via the photo disruption of the tissues. It will kill the tissues or it will damage the tissues and thus creates the cleavage planes. So what is it used? It is used for creating the following. It is used for creating the wounds, that actually for healing the wounds, or for anterior capsulotomies. For creating anterior capsulotomies, we can use this femtosecond laser assisted cataract surgery, or we can also use it for nuclear fragmentation. It is actually also used for in keratoplasty also it is used, and in arcuate keratotomies also we use this femtosecond laser surgery.
thank you and thank you for watching.